Okay, I need to tell you something. So, unfortunately, I need a break. I'm working on too many projects right now, and I also work 8 to 10 hours a day, and it's a lot of physical labor, and I always come home exhausted, so I don't have the energy to make tutorials as often as I'd like to. That's just reason number one. Reason number two is the bigger one, and mostly why I'm taking a break. I also am working on switching what editor I use. I know, shocker. But because I want to work on switching the editor, I want to take time to learn it well so I can make the best possible videos that I can in that editor. Basically just learn it all around in all its editingness. None of those words were good, but you get the idea. Third reason is the small reason. Number two was the big one. The third reason is I just need a little bit of time to just be human. Right now, I'm not in my hometown where I'm currently living. Right now, I'm in Dubuque visiting some friends. So hopefully by the time I'm making videos again, it will either be... So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, there is no reason why you should. You can go click all the respective buttons in the end card, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay, bye.